Hi everyone, Tracy here with Coco Con Essential Oils. I wanted to talk to you today about sandalwood essential oil. Talk to you a little bit about the benefits and ways that you can use it. Sandalwood essential oil is, I know the words are backwards, I apologize. It's another home selfie video. Anyway, sandalwood is comes from the trunk of the tree, and it takes the sandalwood tree 30 years to produce an oil. So it's an expensive oil for that reason. And it's an oil, when I use it with a lot of intention. Every drop that I use, I try to use very intentionally and with purpose for each drop, just because it takes the tree such a long time to produce the oil. And to get the oil, it comes from the trunk of the tree, so you have to kill the tree to get the oil out. So I just like to always educate people on the work that the tree goes through, and so that you can respect it and enjoy every drop of it like I do. So sandalwood has an affinity for the throat, and it's really good for sore throats, tickly coughs. It's also good for the third eye chakra, so our intuition. It's a grounding, calming, centering oil, so it's really good for meditation and prayer. It's also good for dry aging skin and acne prone skin. So you could take like 5 drops of sandalwood and put it in 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of aloe gel and use that as a spot treatment for acne on your skin. It's good for dry, frizzy hair. I like to put 5 to 10 drops of sandalwood in 1 ounce of jojoba oil, or 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil, and then use just a little bit on the tips of my finger and use it for kind of frizzy flyaways on the ends of your hair. And it's also, it's a oil that's really good for sadness and grief in particular. So if you've lost a loved one and you're having a hard time grieving, sandalwood can be very supportive during that time. So you can put like 1 drop on a cotton ball and just take long, deep breaths whenever you're feeling that grief, or wear it in an essential oil necklace or on an essential oil bracelet, or diffuse it in a diffuser. It's also a calming oil that you can use for sleep. And then another really strong point of sandalwood is its use for scarring. The carrier oil I like to use for scarring is called tamanu oil, and that's Tamanu. And you would put 10 to 15 drops of sandalwood essential oil in 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of tamanu oil, and apply that to maybe wounds that are healing to help prevent scarring, or put it on after the fact to kind of minimize and reduce scarring. So those are just some of the great ways that you can use sandalwood essential oil. We do have it on our website, along with the tamanu oil and aloe gel and jojoba oil, all those good things that I was just talking about. So that's it for today. I hope you guys are staying well, doing well, and I will see you next time.